Hello everyone. We're East meets West. I'm Yaman. These are my teammates Khel and Hussein. We have attempted to build a small system which can be utilized in a number of different concepts. So I'll explain what it does first and then give examples as to what it can be used for later on. Basically, what we have is a transceiver module, which ideally should be something like wrist-shaped, or as our project name is Gecko Wand. Actually, it should be something like a wand-shaped stick that contains an accelerometer and analyzes the data it receives from this accelerometer. And it has a Zigbee transceiver to talk with this other node, which is going to have some fixed place. And according to the information that it gets from this node is going to trigger something. It can be a solenoid, it can be an atomic bomb, it can be putting something on the LCD. So left, right, left, up, down.
First, our intentions were a bit different, so our project ended up in a very different direction. Our original intentions were making an ultrasonic rangefinder, basically to measure the distance from objects and to output it on the display. But further on, we kind of decided to go more into a photography area. So we ended up implementing a flash-triggered LED matrix. So whenever the sensor senses a light change, it triggers the LED matrix as a background flash, which is quite useful for either backlighting or side lighting of the object. But it's not as intense. Oh yeah. Yeah, this one works better.
Transistor, which switch on and off this, and one ADC for temperature.
And we only measure every other second.
So it's a type of food making process that instead of heating food on a pan, say you have a beef, and instead of heating it on a pan where you get the outer layers are have too high temperature and the core has too low, you instead take and vacuum seal the food and place it in a bath of water that is precisely set to a temperature, say 60 degrees.
We run this at, this is like 2,200 watts, so in the big picture this drill doesn't matter at all.
So for the last hour we actually tried to make a sous vide egg. So this is at 64 Celsius degrees last hour. And we never tried this before. So this, I think it's supposed to be like a bit soft.
Check out if it will. Yeah, hard cook.
Okay, so let me just grab a knife.
Hard boiled, because normally an egg will then not rotate more than a little bit if it is then cooked.
Good luck. Thanks.
So this is the first time opening an egg.
Yeah. So that's how we want it to be.
Yeah.
Soft boil.
Bread cooked.
It's sort of a mix in between.
Looks beautiful.
Posjert kalles det.
Posjert.
Posjert, ja. Sånn som du får hvis du tar et egg og kunner oppi. Lekkert.
Beautiful.
Did you
look for the numbers of how long at what temperature, or was it just a lucky guess?
No, we have the
Okay.
sous
Scientific.
vide recipe.
The sous vide recipe. Okay.
This
Sous
was
vide.
So I'll just try this. This is the brain of the system, Energy Micro Tiny Gecko kit, and we have some wires going here to IO expanders, which is connected to an LCD, LED matrix, dual color, so we can actually have green and red colors on this. The reason why we use the IO extenders is because this one requires 24 pins, IO pins, and there was not enough on this board, so we used two IO extenders for that. So we communicate over I2C to the IO extenders, and that way we control the lights on the matrix. On top of the matrix, we have a touch sensor, a touch screen. So actually we are making a touch screen. This is just a transparent touch sensor, so we can get the coordinates X and Y axis.
Color and the Y position data. This is what we started with.